After being married for almost 39 years, I just learned my husband loves banana pudding. So of course I had to make Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's banana pudding. For the base of the recipe, I'm going to use the chessmen cookies. And I found this in the grocery store yesterday, and it's salted caramel chessmen cookies. So we're going to give this a try. So I'm doing half a recipe because a full recipe feeds too many people and we would probably feel obligated to eat it all. And now I'm going to put the bananas on top. This is a really easy recipe. So I just sliced a couple bananas. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Or I guess I should say thick or as thin as you want. We're just covering the cookies. Next, we're going to work on the filling. So I have milk. And again, I'm doing the half of the recipe. I've got French vanilla pudding mix. Adding that in. And I'm going to use my hand mixer to combine that. Okay, I can feel it starting to thicken, so I'm going to stop right there. All right, next part, I've got sweetened condensed milk. And I'm adding cream cheese. I'm using my mixer again. Now the cream cheese has been softened. Very important. Now I'm adding my whipped topping, which I've let it sit out and soften. Just keep folding it in. All right, now we're going to combine everything together. And again, we'll fold until everything's combined. All right, now we're going to layer this onto the bananas. Oh, it's looking nice and thick. Now we're going to spread it out using my offset spatula. Yeah, I didn't even know our son liked banana pudding too. Because I don't think I've ever made it before. Then I'm putting the rest of my cookies on top. Try and space them just right. Oh. What I also found in my cabinet was salted caramel, little chips. So if you could only find the regular chessmen cookies, but you wanted the flavor of salted caramel, you could shake this on top. And now we're gonna have to let it refrigerate for a couple hours before we can try it.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe because there's a lot more great recipes coming your way.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Right.
This one's kind of cool. Bridgetta was watching a Paula Deen video about banana pudding. She said, "Hey, do you like banana pudding?" I said, "I love banana pudding. I haven't had it in probably 35, 40 years." And here we are today. She made banana pudding, and it reminded me of when I was younger. This is way better because it's got these Pepperidge Farm chessmen cookies, which are good by themselves.
Right.
Most of you, like I am, probably used to the old little brown Nilla wafers on banana pudding.
Right.
And most of the banana pudding from my childhood was kind of wet. This is firm. So let's...
and I had no idea how they used to make it until I started to read about it.
Let's dig in.
Okay.
Yeah, this is more of a mousse consistency. Let me see if I can get you a cross shot.
And these are salted caramel, so they got to be even better.
Yeah, you can definitely upgrade your banana pudding with these cookies. They're kind of pricey though.
They are. If you can get them on BOGO, that would be great.
I was surprised how many bananas you needed too. I never really thought about that. You use like 8 bananas or something?
Oh, no. Well, I only did half a recipe.
Oh, okay. I was looking at the ingredients list.
So I only needed 2 to 3, depending on the size of the bananas.
That is so good.
It was really good.
I'm glad you only made half the recipe. We'd probably plow through it all.
I know, that would be a bad thing.
Better cut some of these up and give them to the neighbors.
Definitely. Oh my gosh. This is really good. Highly recommend. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking, how